friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now friends. In this video I'm talking about the Akita Inu price. At this time very massive, absolutely a good jumps occur in Akita Inu. So please keep watching this video because this video going to be very special, going to be very important for all of you. In this video I'm talking about the price. The price is occur in Akita Inu, one of the best cryptocurrencies. As you can see here, at this time the Shiba Akita is trending in a cryptocurrencies market. So before starting this interesting video, I request all of you, if you are new to my channel, so please friends subscribe every stake channel for more this kind of news and updates. Thank you so much. I hope you subscribe my channel friends. And let's see the current price of the Akita. As you can see here, the 0.0011 USD dollar is the currently at this time price of Akita. Absolutely the price is very low, so if you want to invest in Akita, so absolutely it's a good investment because the price is very low, and the low cryptocurrency, low price cryptocurrencies always give us a profit friends. On the other hand, if we look the price changes occur in the Akita, so as you can see here, the whole changes occur except of the last 1 hour. Only the last 1 hour change is negative, and I hope this last 1 hour change as a temporary falls of the Akita. Anyways, if we look the last 1 day, the last 1 month, last 1 week change occur in the Akita, so absolutely the last 1 day and the last 1 hour price change is going very positive friends. And let's see the price chart for more details friends. And again I'm telling you, if you don't subscribe, so please click the subscribe button. As you can see here, that is the last one day price chart. Absolutely a massive jump occur in Akita Mac millionaire, and this month friends, as you can see here, a massive jump. I absolutely really like, I'm really happy to see this kind of change occur in Akita. So absolutely I really like 89.49% positive change occur in Akita in the last 24 hours, and the highest price of Akita as 0.00015 USD dollar is the highest price of Akita in the last 24 hours friends. So very soon they're hitting 0.01 USD dollar. My prediction about Akita is positive because I know Akita and Shiba token is also going a very positive jump. That is why my suggestion for all of you is to please hold Akita at this time if you're a holder, and if you want to buy Akita, so I think it's the best investment. What's your opinion about Akita? Please share in the comment box. Saying kindly friends, don't forget to subscribe Abby's Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates. Thank you so much for watching this.